Welcome to Woodcut Tech, where technology meets the art of woodworking. Join us as we explore precise, creative, and inspiring woodcutting techniques. If you love machines and the scent of fresh cut wood, you're in the right place. Have you ever witnessed the incredible power of a hydraulic system when it operates smoothly? Just one effortless yet mighty push, and even the most stubborn woodblocks are conquered in an instant. With precision single-axis alignment technology, the cutter not only runs quietly, but also delivers flawless, silk-smooth cuts. No matter how large the material, it's never an obstacle. The smart display is always ready to assist. Imagine every piece of wood transformed into a masterpiece with just one touch. With an ear-splitting metallic roar, the hydraulic crusher awakens like a raging beast, devouring a 10-foot log in the blink of an eye. Rivets scatter like cannon fire, unleashing pent-up force measured in tons. This is no ordinary task, it's mankind's conquest over raw nature. The ground trembles with each crushing pulse, the groans of metal merging into an industrial symphony. Witness the moment technology transforms primal power into pure engineering marvel. Witnessing the CBIs at 7544 in action is an awe-inspiring experience. This multifunctional chassis combines a debarker and disc cutter into one high-performance machine, powerful as a predator. Engineered for massive throughput and exceptional durability, every movement radiates raw power and surgical precision. Simply put, this is the future of wood processing technology. Need a machine with limitless power? The Brentwood MPS 50 HD, a true beast that crushes everything from wood pallets to tires in seconds. Built with ultra-durable steel and smart engineering, it conquers even the harshest working conditions. Invest once, reap massive returns with outstanding performance that pays for itself rapidly. The Phantom Modular Rotor System, a groundbreaking innovation that lets you switch claw attachments in the blink of an eye. Optimized for both stubborn root extraction and maximum torque log gripping. Its robust dual hydraulic drive guarantees consistent performance even under extreme load conditions. This is the smart solution for all your wood processing challenges. Seven full chords in just 1 hour. Meet the Multi 2040, the undisputed wizard of wood processing. This beast features a vibration-damped premium cab, smartphone-responsive electronic controls, and a monstrous 60-inch saw blade that devours logs like a hot knife through butter. Engineered with fail-safe hydraulic brakes and laser-guided precision down to the millimeter, every cut is a masterpiece of perfection. The Balfour SC700 CNT4, the ultimate 2-in-1 beast for firewood kings. This powerhouse combines a massive 13-ton circular disc saw with a 10-ton hydraulic splitter in one compact unit. Experience lightning-fast processing, crushing tons of wood in minutes with 50% faster output than conventional machines. Featuring next-gen anti-vibration technology and EU standard safety systems, this is the ultimate productivity booster that will skyrocket your revenue and transform your firewood operation. This beast doesn't just chip wood, it devours entire logs like they're nothing. Engineered by Bambinger, the pinnacle of German craftsmanship, every spin is a symphony of power and precision. It transforms what others throw away into something truly valuable. Standing before this machine, your heart beats faster because you know this is exactly why you love this job. Ripping roots like tearing through paper, the FH20R doesn't destroy, it liberates the land. With steel jaws and 20 tons of raw power, it turns the forest into a stage for strength and precision. What used to be a sweaty, backbreaking grind now takes only minutes of cold, calculated force. FH20R, where power meets precision and the forest bows down. LJ450 cuts through anything up to 450 millimeters with absolute precision. No more trees crashing down, messy ground, or hours wasted on cleanup. The Clean Cut Firm Hold technology helps you finish the job 3x faster, safer, and with less effort. Imagine one smooth cut and the tree gently drops as if being laid down. Ready to take your productivity to the next level. Meet the Woodcracker C550, the ultimate timber titan with a vice-like 55-centimeter grip that strikes like a hydraulic bear trap. Engineered for raw power, this Westech beast snaps through mature trees like they're toothpicks, dropping them with surgical precision. No second chances, just pure domination. Imagine felling giants in seconds, leaving clean cuts and zero mess behind. Built for loggers who demand speed, strength, and unstoppable performance, this isn't just a tree cutter, it's a game changer, ready to command the ultimate wood-crushing force. Small but extremely dangerous, the Janssen GTS 1500E is not for display, it's for action. With 15 horsepower packed into a compact body, it tears through tangled brush and stubborn branches in an instant. Self-powered, no external support needed. Just start it up, and it does the rest. Clean, fast, and surprisingly powerful. No wonder experts keep coming back. I couldn't resist either. This isn't just a machine. The Acre EM300 is grit, forged from sweat and steel. It doesn't just split wood, it splits through perseverance and determination. Add a fixed wedge, and you've got a true wood warrior, ready for any battlefield. Every push is a statement. You don't do things halfway. This is pride, in the form of quiet strength. Hack 14800, the most terrifying wood chipper of all time. With AOX-level destructive power, it doesn't just chip, it shreds, crushes, and pulverizes even the hardest woods in a single pass. The precision is astonishing. Zero waste, no impurities, just perfectly processed fragments. I've tested it on ironwood, aged oak, even treated lumber. Everything vanishes instantly under its devastating force. This isn't your ordinary wood chipper. It's the perfect storm of controlled destruction. With just a press of a button, the Allback Diamond 2000 awakens like a beast roused from slumber. It roars to life, and 800 horsepower tears through logs like a hot knife through butter. The scent of freshly cut wood fills the air, sharp and mesmerizing. This isn't just machinery, it's pure power. A masterpiece of performance. Once you've seen it in action, you'll never forget it. Every drive past the logging site left me awestruck. How do they peel bark cleaner than laser-cut precision? Then holy smokes, this video revealed the tech so advanced it'd make pros bow down. Each peel smooth as silk, precision perfect. It's oddly satisfying ASMR for engineers. The H425 and 1270 gram duo performs like a precision dance, every cut calculated to perfection. The jaw dropper? under 5% wood waste, while competitors lose 10 to 15%. This isn't just about efficiency, but maximizing every inch of timber. Sustainable forestry meets peak profitability. Smart tech plus zero waste equal logging's future. It's heartbreaking to witness this scene. The stubborn log keeps spinning endlessly in the machine, despite all efforts to force it into the conical mold. The technicians have tried everything, thought they had succeeded, but no. The machine continues to rotate defiantly, as if mocking all their attempts. Now the whole team can only stand by helplessly, scratching their heads in frustration. Is there any other solution? Or will this be the day the machine finally wins? This monstrous root ball is the ultimate final exam for every true professional. You'll instantly understand why military-grade planning is essential when every root fiber can become a deadly trap. Those unpredictable surprises always lurk beneath seemingly harmless soil. This is where hard-earned experience and expert knowledge become your survival weapons. Every move must be as precise as a surgeon's. One small mistake could trigger catastrophic consequences. The John Deere 8100 and Rotor S have revolutionized the stump removal industry with their incredible performance. Capable of handling a 24-inch stump in just 55 seconds, the system is not only 3 times faster than traditional methods, but also integrates exclusive vertical cutting technology and intelligent rotation control to ensure maximum safety. In particular, the smart design increases productivity by 22%, while reducing operator fatigue by 40%, thanks to the anti-vibration system and automatic load balancing. The 3-stage deburring system and self-cleaning mechanism help the machine operate smoothly for hours without worrying about clogging. This is truly a comprehensive solution for all professional demolition requirements, worthy of being the new gold standard in the industry. This reckless action sent a chill down my spine. Every hurried movement near the frantically spinning saw blade seemed like a challenge to death. A moment of distraction would cost more than any profit that could be made from this haste. This was not bravery. It was unacceptable carelessness. Safety is never negotiable. Have you ever dreamed of owning a mini branch-crushing beast? This 6-horsepower gasoline-powered shredder isn't just powerful and durable, it's also incredibly versatile, with razor-sharp blades that slice through branches like a hot knife through butter. Its lightweight, easy-to-control design, plus a smart reversible function, lets you effortlessly tackle even the toughest branches in seconds. The perfect sidekick for your garden, compact, yet unbelievably strong. Are you ready to make it yours? Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this, Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see more awesome content. See you in the next one.